Hey, geometry students, welcome to class today on this uh, Monday, November 3rd. I do know what day it is, Monday, November 3rd. Let's go ahead and look at this start. This is totally wrong. I typed this schedule up for the entire week, and then I made the video for this class today. And the video today is really long. I didn't realize how long-winded I was going to be, okay? I was really waxing eloquent. So this schedule here is totally gone. Forget it, okay? I've crossed it off already. So just ignore this. The only thing that's for sure on here is Wednesday there's no class due to the school play during 6th and 7th hours. Okay, so during 6th hour, you guys will be watching the school play, so there'll be no class on Wednesday, okay? Friday there will be a quiz. So those two things are true. Everything else is kind of up in the air, okay? All right, moving on. You have nothing to turn in today because Friday was a test. You have no homework to turn in. Incompletes. Now, there's no incompletes because I told you guys that everything that was due was going to be totally taken off. So I did that, guys. So there was so much not turned in, and they're all zeros now. So if you turn them in today, I'm not going to accept them unless you contact me with a really good reason. Mr. Earhart, I wasn't there for, actually everybody was there Friday because everybody took the test. So all those incompletes are zeros, guys. I'm sorry. I kept telling you guys I was going to do that. So moving on. If you miss a day of class, don't forget it's your job to go to teachthem.com/geometry track 2 and watch that video so that you're all caught up, okay? Every day you miss, be sure and do that, okay? If you come into class and we're taking a quiz or a test, you're going to take it because you should have known that if you've been staying on top of your videos, all right? Okay, moving on. Today's video is 44 minutes and 34 seconds long. It is about triangles. I will be honest with you. We are starting today to look at two-column proofs in this chapter, and they are extremely difficult. I compare them to factoring in algebra, which of course is difficult to do. Usually in algebra, the most dreaded subject is factoring. Well, in geometry, the most dreaded subject is usually two-column proofs, okay? And so we're going to start those today. Just do the best you can, and I'll be reasonable with how many I give you on tests and quizzes, okay? But really work hard on those. They're really difficult to do. In this chapter, we will also be studying 5 ways to prove that triangles are congruent. We're also going to study how to use congruent triangles. We're also going to study angle and perpendicular bisectors. And we're going to try to study reflection and symmetry if we get that far into the chapter, okay? Okay, moving on. If I can get my computer to work. There we go. Okay, now this is wrong, so please don't copy this down, okay? Please do not copy this down. There's going to be no homework, okay? Well, there's going to be homework, but not that homework, okay? So let's continue on. Here's your homework for tonight. Here it is. You are to go through your tests. Are you listening, guys? And rework every problem that you missed. Every one. Let me explain how I want you to do this. I do not want you to write on your test. I do not want you to write on your test notebook paper that you turned in with the test. I want you to take a brand new piece of paper, brand spanking new, put your name up top right here, okay? And then you are to go through your test, and every problem that you missed, you are to redo on the sheet of paper. And unfortunately for some of you, it might be a couple of sheets of paper. All right, some of you missed a lot. Now, listen carefully. Listen carefully. If you missed a fill in the blank, you are to rewrite that entire theorem or that entire definition or postulate, whatever it was. You are to rewrite the entire thing. Okay? Period. No questions asked. Now, all the problems that you missed, you are to redo. Now, tomorrow, here's what you're going to turn in. You're going to turn your test in to me. And you might say, well, Mr. Earhart, why do I turn my test into you? Because students, I don't know which problems you missed. Let's say you're a student that missed number 5, 8, 9, and 17. Well, I don't know you missed those numbers. I don't keep track of that here at my house. All that I have here at my house is your grade that you got on your test. So tomorrow when you come in, I say pass your homework in, you will turn in your test and your corrections with it. That way I'll know which problems you were supposed to do, and I will also have your test corrections, okay? So this is what you have to do tonight. Now I know some of you are in the play, and I have a list of that, so please don't try to say you're in the play and you're not. Miss Walker sent us a list. And I believe we're not supposed to give you guys homework this week, okay? And I understand that, but so if that's the case, and you don't want to do the homework, that's fine. I won't take off any points. I'll probably just give you a 100. But it'd be very wise to do your homework if at all possible, but you don't have to. I know you're in the play this week, so you're welcome to opt out of homework for those that are in the play this week, okay? The video for today is called Lesson 5.1. So that's the video you're going to watch in class today. Don't worry about the homework. Just ignore this right here, please. You don't need that. Okay, we're not going to worry about that. We're going to do that tomorrow. You do need this, though. To do your test corrections, you need this video here. The test corrections video is called Geometry Track 2, Chapter 4, Test Corrections. Geometry Track 2, Chapter 4, Test Corrections, okay? Now, have a good day, students, but listen, one more thing. If you want to retake the test, some of you did not do well. Some of you did not do well at all. If you want to retake the test, you must retake it by Friday. Mr. Hamill has a copy of the test that you're going to take. I will remind you guys every day, you must retake the test by Friday. No exceptions on that, okay? So set that up with him and make sure you get that taken care of, okay? Contact me if you have any questions. Have a good day today, guys.